Hello friends, my name is Amandeep Singh and I am a CPA at Cloudiverse CPAs. I help entrepreneurs realize their financial dreams by optimizing their cash flows and helping them reduce their tax bill. Did you know that 53% of Canadians live paycheck to paycheck? Even small payroll errors can put your employees in financial difficulty. Still, payroll errors are all too common. Payroll is one of the most critical processes which needs to be handled correctly. In this video, I will answer some of the most important questions which the entrepreneurs ask when they process payroll for their very first employees. Number 1. How do I register myself with CRA for processing payroll? Once you register your business with the CRA, you are assigned a unique 9-digit business number. Afterwards, you have to register for a program account. For example, for payroll, you can apply for a payroll deduction account. Number 2, do I have to comply with the minimum wage regulations? Well, in Canada, all provinces and territories establish and enforce their own minimum wage requirements. Some industries and types of workers have exemptions that put their minimum wage higher or lower than the normal provincial rates. Regardless, it's your responsibility as an employer to pay your employees correctly based on your province. Number 3, why do I need to pay overtime to employees? You see, overtime rules are established and enforced by each province and territory as well. Even if your employees commute from across a provincial border, whatever work happens inside the boundary of your province is bound to follow the rules which are set up by your province. Many provinces classify overtime pay as anything over 8 hours in a day and 40 hours in a week. The overtime is paid at a rate of 1.5 times the normal pay rate. Employees in British Columbia can also be entitled to double overtime. That is, they will be getting 2 times the normal pay rate for every hour worked over 12 hours in a day. Number 3, how do I calculate source deductions and what are my payroll-related responsibilities relating to those remittances? CRA is the mothership for income taxes and payroll taxes in Canada. In most provinces, the employers pay most of their federal and provincial or territorial payroll taxes to the CRA. The CRA then divvies up what taxes belongs to itself and then sends the remaining payments to the provincial and territorial tax agency. As an employer, you also have to account for EI and CPP along with the provincial and territorial requirements. For income tax, you are only required to withhold amounts from an employee's pay, whereas EI and CPP require employer contributions as well. That is, in case of EI, the employer pays 1.4 times the amount withheld from the employee's paycheck. Whereas, in the case of CPP, the employer must contribute an amount equal to the CPP deducted from the employee's paycheck. You can use softwares such as QuickBooks Online to calculate payroll taxes, and if you are not ready to commit to an accounting software at this time, you should feel free to use Payroll Deduction Online Calculator, which is easily available on CRA's website in order to calculate payroll deductions. Now, the responsibility of withholding taxes from paychecks and making the correct payment on time to the CRA rests solely with the employer, which is you in this case. Number 4, do I need to issue a record of employment? A record of employment provides information on employment history to the CRA. It is the single most important document used by employees to apply for employment insurance benefits. Number 5, what are the payroll year-to-date amounts and why are they so important? The amount you've paid in your payroll taxes in a fiscal year is called your year-to-date amounts. Your year-to-date amounts have to be accurate so that you don't over or underpay your payroll taxes. Moreover, these figures are used for your year-end reports such as your T4s. Question number 7. Am I responsible for issuing T4s to my employees? Yes. At the end of the year, as an employer, you must complete and file a T4 summary report which presents all the payroll tax amounts connected to your business. You see, when it comes to growing your company, nothing is more important than your team. The best team wins in business. Don't take your employees off with payroll errors and mistakes. If your employees like their job, they might give you a pass for your occasional payroll mistakes. However, be advised that constant payroll problems may lead to demoralization of employees, ultimately leading to high employee turnover, which is very costly. With over 200 constantly changing legislative and regulatory requirements, payroll compliance can be a moving target, and it can be a very time-consuming job for you as a small business owner. And to do this efficiently, you should consider outsourcing this job to free up some of your time which you can spend on your business. This can provide you focus on your core activities which you like to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like our YouTube channel. See you soon, and thanks for watching.